Right. So here's what most emulator users don't realize. Your RAM's getting stuffed, but not by the emulator. Look at your task manager right now. You've got Photoshop running in the background from earlier, maybe a game you tested this morning, Discord, Chrome tabs you forgot about. All of that leaves fragments in your memory. And that's your free RAM collapsing from what should be 5 gigabytes down to basically nothing. This video is specifically for emulator gamers because this hits you the hardest. You launch an emulator with almost no breathing room and everything stutters. But here's the good news. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to go from 607 megabytes free to over 5 gigabytes free. No complex tweaks, no registry edits, just 3 straightforward methods that actually work. So let's fix this. First, we're going to open 3 temp folders at once, then clean them one by one. Press Windows key plus R. Type %temp% and hit enter. Don't close that. Press Windows key plus R again. This time, just type temp, no percent signs, and hit enter. One more, Windows key plus R. Type Prefetch and hit enter. Now you've got 3 folders open. Now go to the first folder. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything, then Shift plus Delete to permanently delete. Some files won't delete because they're in use. That's normal. Just skip those. Same process on folder 2. Ctrl plus A, Shift plus Delete. Skip anything that's locked. You just deleted disk junk, not RAM. Your RAM isn't going to junk from this. But you're cleaning up stuff Windows would pull into memory later, so you're preventing future slowdown. That's why the real cleanup happens next with rammap. So those temp folders are cleared, but look at your task manager now. You'll notice your free RAM hasn't jumped as much as you'd hope. Why? Because what we just deleted was actual disk junk, not RAM. Your standby memory is still sitting there, still holding on to Photoshop's cache, still holding on to that game you played this morning. That's where rammap comes in. Because temp file cleanup is good maintenance, but it doesn't actually touch the RAM that's actively sitting in your system right now. It only cleans historical files. Rammap does what temp cleanup can't. It goes into your live memory and says, this data you're holding on to, you don't need it right now. Let's free it up. That's why you'll see a much bigger jump when we use rammap. Because we're not cleaning yesterday's junk, we're releasing today's wasted memory. Now here's where the real jump happens. This is rammap from Microsoft's Sysinternals, completely free, and it does one thing. It cleans unnecessary cache from your RAM. That's it. But before we do this, close any running programs. If you're gaming, save your progress first. Because when we clean this up, sometimes it can crash running programs. Keep your eyes on Task Manager while I do this. Watch the green line, that's your active RAM in use, and the blue line, that's your standby RAM. You're about to see a big difference. Clicking the options now. There it is, from 607 megabytes free to 5.2 gigabytes free. That's what your emulator needs. That's the difference. Now, there's also a batch file option if you want to automate this. Basically, a batch file runs this cleanup process for you automatically, without even opening rammap. But honestly, it's a longer setup process. For everyday use on low-end PCs and emulator users, just running rammap manually once a week takes 2 minutes and works great. Finally, if you're on a low-end PC, there's one more optimization I'd suggest. Atlas OS. It's basically a stripped-down version of Windows with all the bloat removed. Telemetry, background services, unnecessary drivers, all gone. You get significantly more RAM just sitting there doing nothing. I'd personally recommend it only for gamers, but if you've got a low-end PC, switching to Atlas OS makes a real difference. I've got a full tutorial on my channel. Links in the description. Go check it out if you're interested. So that's it. Clean your temp folders, use rammap once a week, and your emulator is going to run smooth. Your hardware's fine, You're just removing the junk that's in the way. Drop your feedback in the comments. Let me know if this helped and what your RAM numbers look like after cleanup. This is Austin, signing off. I'll catch you in the next video.